What if your chickens could whisper, "I'm sick"? Ours do, through sound. We trained AI on thousands of barnyard sound clips to detect illness before symptoms even show. Forget chasing sneezes. Our algorithm deciphers subtle shifts in cluck pitch, duration, and tempo with over 92% accuracy. It's like a digital stethoscope, but feather-friendly. Farmers get alerts before flocks fall ill, making treatments faster and losses lower. No feathers plucked, no panic needed, just poultry peace of mind powered by pixels. It's the smart way to catch disease before it squawks louder.